In this video, we bring you a couple of variations for your sugar push for West Coast swing. What's up, gang? It's Brian B.
And Miss Megan.
From West Coast Swing Online. In this video, we're bringing you a couple of variations for your sugar push for West Coast Swing. So first, let's take a peek at them to music. All right, first let's start by talking about the basics of the sugar push and the concepts that we need to preserve while we add our two styling options. So in a basic sugar push, right, I'm moving back, I'm stopping Megan at the end of count 2 and reversing her direction onto count 4, and then we're anchoring, right? So we have to preserve that stop on 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, right? So I gotta preserve the stop of my partner coming into me and then sending my partner back away on count 4. So even though we do very first option, which is from a handshake hold, right, I need to provide the stop on count 2. Now, because this hand is coming over my own head, my stop is gonna go with the palm of my hand on my partner's hip for 3 and 4, 5, and 6, right? So this is just coming up. We like to do baby steps. This is coming up and over my head like a window. So I've got this window, if you guys can see. We've got this window through here. This is going over my head. My left hand is providing the stop. And this is what I see sometimes happening, and then we'll have Megan chime in. When we do this, we sometimes see this with our students where they push off with that hand, right? So let's explain to us why that's not a good idea and what we should do with this hand.
Well, with a sugar push in general, you don't want to shove your partner back the opposite direction. We actually only have a fairly small step going back, so we don't need a whole lot of momentum in that step.
So like I said, the concept is that I have to stop my partner to 3 and she's compressed, and I can allow this hand to compress too, and then we step for 4, anchor 5, and 6. Another pro tip before we do our second sugar push variation is let's talk about this hand. What happens with this hand in this position, Miss Megan?
My hand?
Yep.
As I'm going back for my count 4 and then my anchor step, I'm going to let this trail down, and I'm not going to lose contact with his arm.
Right, so for the follower, again, you're trying to look for this connection in towards your partner, towards me on count 2, and you're hunting for that connection away so we can be posted and anchor. So that becomes your responsibility. My responsibility to stop you here, but as we send you back, it's your responsibility to fill out that connection. So that's option number 1. Option number 2 is off this hand, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So it's almost the exact same concept. It is the same concept, right? Where I'm leading Megan. Once we start this, I like to come off the slot a little bit for 1, 2. This left hand provides the stop for 3 and I send her back with my step into the slot for 4, 5, and 6. If we do that again, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now, pro tip, there's a video somewhere hunting around on YouTube where we have 5 different ways you can lead West Coast Swing. And one of the ways is that I can step back. We all know this one. The other way is that I can raise this hand. As I'm raising the hand, it shortens the distance between us. So a lot of this lead is me initiating back, of course, right? But number 2, I could lead it literally just with the raise of that hand. That is not incorrect. If I combine the 2 of them, I have a great, easy lead. And can you talk a little bit about, we'll flip around this side, what you think about with this hand and how you would know to attach it to this?
So as the lead is lifting this hand, he's presenting this other hand underneath. So that's telling me that he wants my hand. And then I'm connecting like normal, as a normal sugar push to his palm for the towards connection, and then for the away, I'm connecting normally backwards as well.
So same concepts are there. She's looking for the connection on count 2 for me to stop her, and she's going away into the anchor. So I like to do these, if we put these in a little practice routine, we will do them from this hand first, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I like to lead a free spin in between. I can thread the right hand in, and then we can pop through to this. So if you want to practice those, we're going to go over the, we're going to go to the low hand first. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We lead a free spin, and what happens is it creates a nice little style where the leader can come around.
That's not the
oh,
right
that's
move.
not the right one, right? So if we go back from the side, when we have this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, that's sugar push variation number 1. We lead the inside turn, prep 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as I step in the slot, I can use this angle to come around the corner and pick up the right hand, triple step. So I've got this kind of cool angle, and then we can go back over the head to thread it down. There are 2 sugar push variations for your West Coast swing. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you want to get this here cool t-shirt, always hunt in the description below. There's a cool store. We've got these during the lockdown. We have masks, all sorts of other cool designs. Make sure you head on over to the website, westcoastswingonline.com. Enter your email address on the first page. 60 free videos, not only West Coast swing, we have two-step, we have cha-cha, we have East Coast, we have nightclub, some waltzes in there, some really cool stuff. So thanks for the support, gang, and we will see you again soon.